Hey, wonder why I'm making a video on something as simple as replacing wipers? Well, shut up. You know, there's always someone who does it for the first time. And yes, some brands do put the instructions right on the package, but others don't. So don't be such a smartass. Oh, but Andrew, don't you live in California? Why do you even need wipers in the first place? You are absolutely right, my friend. In fact, I did replace mine less than a year ago, and look what happened. Pathetic, disgusting, and that's Michelin. So, I hope you already got yourself some new wipers. Let's put them on. The beauty of it is that you don't actually need any special tools to make it happen. All you need is just to turn your wiper and slide it down and take it off. And the same goes here. Take it, turn it, and voila. Now take the new ones. I've got size 26 for the driver's side and 22 for the passenger. Do this, then put it up, and here you go. It's so easy, I can do it with my one left hand. And now the second one. 1, 2, 3. You're welcome.